How's it, bro?
Good.
Good?
Yeah.
So,
Hi.
kamusta? Do you speak Tagalog?
Not really.
Not really? Okay. So, what do you have in mind? So, color and cut?
Yes. Great.
Wow, that's so nice. What color do you see? Tingnan ako yung chart. You see silver or white?
Like silver, platinum.
Silver platinum. And you want it from roots to ends, right?
Um.
Meaning it's the whole
Yes.
thing.
Yeah.
Like, because what you can see is you have short hair here. So we have two options. Either leave it like that, and then we do this silver platinum. Or we can also color this platinum.
I think color everything,
Like everything, the whole thing. Okay.
but I want to grow it out. I want to grow it out. So, do I need to cut like here or like blend it here
Mm.
so it can grow out like evenly?
Okay. So basically we have two options. Either if you're planning to grow it out, basically I'm just gonna clean this and then let it be. Let it be like that. But if you want to maintain it like this, I'm going to cut it. So but you said a while ago you want to grow it out, right?
Mhm.
So I'm just gonna clean like that. I'm just gonna cut it like that. And then I'm going to color everything.
Okay.
Sige, I'll show you a chart and then we'll see if we have the same color palette. Okay?
Okay.
Sige. How's it, bro?
Good.
Good?
Yeah.
So, ayan na siya. Now, the more you wash it, the more it becomes lighter. Okay? Yeah. So, pag tinali mo siyang gano'n, when you do the ponytail, then you let it grow na lang. Ganda siya. Oh. Look like an anime. Yun mo yung peg mo eh. Nice. Thank you.